Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MDEVAAN and today I'm going to be making a very simple okra recipe. My okra is already chopped and ready to go. So all I'm going to do is pour in a little bit of water. Make sure the water is not more than the okra, depending on how watery you want your okra to be. And then you put in a little bit of potash, basically like a teaspoon of potash, and then you let it boil slowly, okay, on low heat. So once that's done and it's giving you this beautiful, gorgeous, luscious foam, you're gonna add fresh pepper. You're going to add you need locust bean. You're going to add upehe. I keep mixing up the tiv and the idoma names for it, so I have them in the powdered form. It works easier for me, and it doesn't the aroma is not like that strong. It's not that pungent. Then you add your spices. Add a little bit of seasoning and salt. That is basically it. The okra is done. Now this is going, half of this is going to go into the freezer, so I'm not going to let it cook totally. And then of course I added fresh locust bean as well. So I'm basically done. Once I whisk this, I'm going to turn it dish out what's going to be eating now and turning the rest into a takeaway pack. Thank you so much for watching. My name is MDEVAAN. Hit the subscribe button. Please share this video. I love you and I appreciate you. Mwah.